southeastern Illinois, southeastern St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern Jefferson County, St. Genevieve County in southeastern Missouri, northwestern St. Francis County in southeastern Missouri, until 12:30 p.m. At 9:33 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards
Freaking
include
lightning
flash
bolt.
flood caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Farmington, Festus, Chester, Vaughan Terrace, DeSoto,
Von Terry, get it right.
St. Genevieve, Sparta, Red Bud, Redwood, Bremen, Park Hills, Steelerville, Marissa, Kersey, Coulterville, Sylvan, Olympian Village, and Evansville. This includes the following state parks: St. Joe State Park, St. Francis State Park, Penn State Park, Felix Valley House State Park, and the Missouri Mines Historic Site. This includes Interstate 55 in Missouri between exits 141 and 175. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Jefferson.
2-minute limit.
This is a special
Goodness.